Hello everyone, this is Sihan from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments as well as the price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Monday, 20th of December 2021. Let's begin with the British pound versus the US dollar, where in the previous videos we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame. And we said that due to the breaking upwards to the upper boundary of the falling wedge in the 4-hour time frame, the pair will be targeting around level 1.3360, which recently we can see that the pair has achieved it and continued to rebound downwards off of it in order to retest the broken upper boundary of the falling wedge in the 4-hour time frame. By rebounding upwards off of around the current levels, it will support the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement in the 4-hour time frame and will continue to target level 1.3360 once again. However, by continuing with the downwards movement and breaking down through level 1.3180, the upwards correctional scenario will be cancelled and the pair will continue with the overall downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. In that case, we will be expecting it to target around level 1.3080 as a primary target in the downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicator moving around level 40, it supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to continue with the current upwards correctional movement. That was it for the British pound versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the US oil. As we mentioned in the previous videos, the US oil is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame, and we said that unless it breaks upwards to level 73.15, then we are still moving in a downtrend. Recently, we can see that the US oil has rebounded down off of around level 72.60 and continued to break down through level 69.15, which used to be a horizontal support level for the US oil in the 4-hour time frame, where it is currently being traded below it, and by holding below it will support the continuity of the overall downtrend, which will then continue to target around level 67.30, then around level 65.55 as primary targets in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicator moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, it supports the probability of rebounding up off of around the current levels in order to correct before continuing with the downtrend, which in this case, it might extend to retest around level 70.30 before continuing with the downtrend. That was it for the US oil. Let's move on to the Dow Jones Index. In the previous videos, we said that the index was moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. However, recently we can see that after breaking down through level 35,440, it started the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, where it is currently being traded around level 34,970, which resembles a horizontal support level for the index in the 4-hour time frame, and therefore, by breaking downwards to it, it will support the continuity of the downtrend as well as the targeting of around level 34,760, then around level 34,440 as primary targets in the current downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that the indicator is currently moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, which supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to correct and retest around level 35,290 before rebounding downwards off of it and continuing with the downtrend. That was it for the Dow Jones Index. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.